Anchor installation.
Tools required: reversible drill, hammer, socket set, wrench set, razor knife, measuring tape, 1/2 inch masonry drill bit, 1/4 inch drill bit, 5/16 hex driver bit, a center punch or nail.
Drilling. Mark your drill bit at 1.5 inches, so you know what depth to drill to. Remember to use appropriate safety equipment while using power tools. On your mark, drill 1.5 inch deep hole. Setting the anchor. Put your concrete anchor into the hole so it is slightly raised. You may have to gently tap it in with a hammer. Next, set it with a center punch or nail. Now you can screw your anchor bolt in. Make a mark with a felt underneath the anchor bolt. Now, drill 1.5 inch deep hole on your mark. Drop your concrete anchor into the hole. Make sure the top edge is slightly raised above the deck. Then set it with a center punch or nail. Now you can screw your anchor bolt in. Now your reel system is anchored.